Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to studio for the Let's Share. This video because is useful. You can also support my channel for make donation, and in the description my email PayPal is here. Get ready. Today there's something special that I want to show you how to scan a document with your phone. How to scan a document with your phone. This is Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus that I want to use to do something like that. First of all, let's see the version of this system. This is the brand new One UI 2.5 and is the last update. Yes, the brand new update, November update, and it's crazy, wonderful, beautiful. The thing you need to have first is one of the best applications for scan documents and transform this on PDF. This document is here in front of you and this application is here and his name is Tab Scanner. Okay, this is my first test of this application. I don't know if it's working very well, but I can test this with you on my phone and see how it's good. Okay, first of all, let's launch this application on my phone. Let's launch, and as you can see in front of you, there are some beautiful things here. You can see all of these icons. You can see email. You can start to email, document, all of this. Okay, and here you can see Tab Scanner plus change another. What is this? I don't know. I think that there are premium version also. All right, settings. You have all of the settings: scan, display in PDF, language. You can choose your language here, and it's good. Wonderful. We have something that's in. Let's check. You can see HD quality. To enable HD quality, you need to go on the Pro version. The Pro version. Okay. Now let's test before to see if it's working before going for this. Now you can see start scanning. When you click on start scanning, oh, okay, I think that is the ad. Now click to close. I think that in the Pro version there are not ads into. Okay, what you can see here is multi-mode. Multi-mode. Switch to multi-mode to take several photos. Look at multi-mode. Okay, now you have grid. Okay, you have grid. As you can see, it's not a joke. And what? When you turn, is turn. Which is good. What else? You have flash. You can enable the flash. Okay, flash. And what else? You can see single. Okay, you can see single or multi photo. Okay, you can make a choice if you want single picture. All right, now what can I do? This is simple. There are also QR code here. QR code for a document. Thank you. Now what you need to have, you need to have a document. You need to have a document. Now let me take something like that. This is a document. I want just to use this to make this test. Let's go. Okay, wonderful, welcome. Now we are ready. You have your document here and your phone is also here. What can I do? You need just to do something like that. Okay, to to capture your thing. I don't know how it's working, but let's test to see. Look at camera. Okay, wonderful. Look at what you have. Wonderful, beautiful. And what? Let's test to see if it's working. Take a single picture. And now you have something in front of you. You have crop document. Move the blue cropping edge to select your document. Okay, what can I do? Let's do something like that. And now you can crop your document just like that. We're doing just like that. Can you see this? Do something like that. Okay, resize the document. I think that the Samsung Galaxy Note will do a beautiful job with this thing. This is what I think. Wonderful. Do this. Yeah, nice. And what? Do this in action. Crop. Okay, resize again. Nice. Try again this one. Okay, good. Now look at your document. Your document is here. You have rotation L, and recrop. Okay, for me it's good. Look at, for me it's good. The document is here and I can go. If you are finished to copy this, you need to click on this to validate, like that. And wonderful. You can see select filter. Use filters to optimize your scan. Try B and W filters too. Okay, you have so much filters here, but you can use right now is select automatically auto, but you can select face, can change it. When you select this is the original version like that. You can see this. Look at original version, change. You can see the brightness change, auto, good. You can see something like that to increase the brightness, just like that. This is very impressive. Wow, not bad. Change all of this just like that. There are so much if filters here for you. Have polish, nice document. You can see very well the scripture. You can see very well what I wrote into, and when it's good for you, you can click on validate, just like that. And you can see, okay, just add again. You can move to a profession. Now you have save PDF or image. Save PDF or image. Tap and select the field format and save your fields. Okay, click here. Now you have a choice to select what you want here. Okay, you have a quality, you have max quality. You can change everything. If you want the max, you need to move to to this thing. We go for Pro. Okay, now you have regular. Click on save if you want to save this in PDF, or if you want to save this in image, click on image. Okay, image, just like that, and click on save. Now you can see save image into gallery. Wonderful. You can review, do what you want, and let's check. Let's go on my gallery, which is amazing. On doing 10. Now you can see something here. Your beautiful scan is here. Your beautiful document is here. It's good. It's very nice. You can see scanning by tab scanner. Okay, this you can go on the Pro version to remove this thing. Okay, now you can return the document, and now you have the document in front of you, just like that. Ay. Now let's see this and the original version. Look at the original version and this. What is the difference? Look at very well. Ay. This is what I'm talking about. Look at that. Good. I think that this is almost the same thing. This is what I think. Thank you. I also want to enjoy this video. This is something useful for everyone. Bro, this is amazing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And get ready for the next video. You can also do the same action. You can move for the Pro version for no ads. Thank you. Beautiful and amazing phone also. It's amazing. Thank you for watching.